Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ashwagandha Lehyam. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for this traditional preparation. You'll need 100 grams of high-quality Ashwagandha root powder, which is the star of our recipe. Also, gather 200 milliliters of fresh milk and 50 grams of pure ghee. Finally, have 150 grams of jaggery or brown sugar on hand to sweeten your Lehyam perfectly. Now, let's begin the preparation. Start by soaking your 100 grams of ashwagandha powder in 200 milliliters of milk for at least 2 hours. This helps soften the powder and infuse it with the milk's goodness. Next, take a heavy-bottomed pan and melt about 25 grams of ghee over a low flame. Once the ghee is warm, carefully add the ashwagandha and milk mixture to the pan. Continue cooking the mixture on a low flame, stirring constantly to prevent it from sticking. This slow cooking process is crucial for developing the Lehyam's texture and flavor. Gradually incorporate the remaining 25 grams of ghee as the mixture starts to thicken. Keep stirring until it reaches a thick, paste-like consistency, similar to a halwa, ensuring it doesn't burn. Once your mixture is thick, add the 150 grams of jaggery or brown sugar. Stir continuously until the jaggery completely melts and blends smoothly into the Lehyam, giving it a rich, glossy finish. Allow it to cool completely before transferring it to a clean, airtight container. For best results, consume about 1 to 2 teaspoons daily. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.